Welcome to 𝐕𝐝 Industry Company, your global partner in high-end roll forming solutions. Today, we are proud to present our fully automated, high-precision cable tray production line, engineered for durability and maximum efficiency. The process begins with our heavy-duty hydraulic uncoiler. This robust unit ensures smooth, stable recoiling of large metal coils, providing a consistent feed to the entire line. Material is then guided through a high-precision servo reader to the heavy-duty mechanical punch press. This high-speed system is designed for maximum accuracy. Stamping complex tools is required for modern cable management systems with industrial-grade power. During the process, you can see the machine efficiently punches the side and bottom surface while simultaneously cutting the sheets. This mechanical integration ensures every piece is uniform and ready for production stage. Automation is at the heart of our design. A motorized conveyor takes the punch into the roll without any into the main roll former through a precision feeder and guider. Our machine features an adjustable roll forming system and an integrated straightener. This ensures that every cable tray is formed with exact angles and remains perfectly straight, meeting the highest structural standards. Versatility is a core feature of 𝐕𝐝 Industry machinery. Here, you can see how easily the machine can be adjusted to produce different dimensions. With our user-friendly design, you can switch between various widths and heights in minutes, allowing for a highly flexible production schedule. Maximize your production and minimize your downtime. For high-performance machinery you can trust, choose 𝐕𝐝 Industry Company. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more industrial showcases.